Welcome to the WB Abu Dhabi. As you enter the grand lobby to make it up to your room, they have a piano here that you can set the song and the piano will play itself. What are we feeling like today? How about we'll meet again. And you made it to that tune as we make it upstairs. 2 hours. Welcome to Josh's Adventures. Today we're at the WB Hotel in Abu Dhabi. We're staying in room 635, which is a corner view room. So come on in and let's enter. It's a key card here. Welcome. So we actually checked in last night, but we were very, very tired. We got around midnight, so we were very, very tired and decided to just go to sleep instead. And so the room is not currently made up just yet. But as we enter the room here on the left-hand side, you'll see closet space. They did provide some nice slippers. They were WB embroidered white slippers. Laundry bag there for you. As we open up this closet space here, there is a safe and some more closet space over here. The iron and ironing board were in here as well. Making our way over here, this is the an espresso machine, so they offer espresso pods. There were about 6 bottles of water here as well. Over here is a SMEG refrigerator. We came to the room last night. They had given us some fruit and also a box of chocolates. And since it was our honeymoon, they had given us a piece of chocolate cake as well. Also a happy anniversary cake as well. Over here is a working desk, so if you want to get some work done, this is the place to do it. There is a hair dryer here as well. Over here is the sitting area. This is the TV, a little bit small I feel for a newer hotel. The TV is only here for the living space, so you have the couch and then the chair here as well. And over here, the blinds you have to go like this. This is the terrace. We didn't actually utilize it, but it's a small, small terrace with 2 chairs and a table. Overlooking here, right over there, is the perfect view of Warner Brothers World, which is one of the largest indoor theme parks in the world. Over there, I believe that's Ferrari World, and down the road is going to be SeaWorld, and the water park I believe is also there as well. You see there's a lot of other construction here, so maybe building new hotels or stores and whatnot. As we make our way back into the bedroom here, here is, we'll first go to the bathroom actually. So you have 2 sinks here. They did provide a dental kit, shaving kit, shower cap, and vanity kit. Over here is lotion as well. A Palace Apothecary and Lab is the brand that's used here. Over here, let me go away. Over here is the toilet. The bidet is just a spray bidet over here. And then over here we have a rainfall shower head, as well as a handheld shower head. Again, a Palace Apothecary and Lab shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. And then also a bathtub as well here which is definitely good for soaking for one person. They included one bathrobe here as well. I'm sure you can obviously definitely ask for more. And if we make our way over here, this is the dining table over here. All the rooms here have different artwork from WB movies. So ours here is the Iron Giant. And over here is a Marshall speaker. They don't have a clock in this room. This is a Marshall speaker. You could also plug in your own iPad or iPod if you want here. And over here is the king size bed. Not as big as some other beds, but it is king size. This here is not a TV. There is no TV in this room. Oh, actually you can watch TV here as well. So this actually turns. So depending if you want to watch TV in bed or over there, you can either have the TV on one side and artwork on the other side. So you can actually watch TV in bed, which is, I didn't realize that. Or you can have this nice artwork here. This over here is a mirror. And then over here is the same view. So again, you have the Warner Brothers World, and the other parks over there. Downstairs with our rate, we did have a buffet breakfast. There's two places that they have. One of the places where we had breakfast yesterday was, I believe, called the Director's Lounge. That was definitely more adult themed. That was closed today, and they had sidekicks open due to, I guess not many people in the hotel. Sidekicks was definitely a little bit more busy, same food, definitely a lot more busy with kids. So if you have kids, it's perfect. They can cry and yell and whatnot, and I think it won't be frowned upon. And that's it. There's Tom and Jerry roams around the hotel as well. So if your kids or yourself like Tom and Jerry, you can certainly take pictures with them, and that's it. We noticed there was a spa in here, there's a pool in the hotel as well. So we're going to start cleaning up the room now, and we will see you on the next adventure. Until then, I hope that you like, share, and subscribe by hitting that button right now. That's all, folks.